let's revise some 10 high yield NEET PG questions. So, what is the range of firing when you see burning, blackening, and tattooing? Blindly, you need to answer it is a close contact firearm shot. This burning is due to the flame, blackening is due to the soot, and tattooing is due to the unburnt gunpowder. Right? So, what is the term for wrinkling of fingers and toes in a drowned body? It is mostly an image question. So, it is a washerwoman's hands or feet seen after 36 hours of water immersion. The skin turns just pale and it shrivels like when we do dishes in our house, right? The next one. A ligature mark that runs transversely around the neck. What does it suggest? So it suggests it could be a ligature strangulation. So definitely some scuffle has happened. It's a clue. Whereas in a hanging, mostly the ligature mark would be oblique. Right? The next one. Antidote for benzodiazepine poisoning. It is flumazenil. It is the specific antagonist. Right? So suppose the doctor explains the risks, the procedures, the benefits for a procedure which a patient is undergoing. So what type of consent it is? It is informed consent. It's a very important medico legal principle, right? The next one. If suppose a person or a child shows a backward arching and violent muscular spasm, the backward arching is also called as opisthotonus. So what is a likely poisoning? It is a spinal poison, strychnine nux vomica or strychnine poisoning. So it causes exaggerated reflexes and muscle spasm, right? The next one, what is the en bloc autopsy technique called as? It is called as Gon's method. So they remove it block by block, like thoracic block, abdominal block, like that, right? Whereas other methods, Rokitansky, Virchow's method, Latule's method is also important. The next question. Suppose a twin pregnancy with a gap of 25 to 30 days between the babies. So what is this called as? It is called as superfetation, where this happens when ovulation continues after conception and leads to a second implantation. Never get mixed up with superfecundation, right? The next question. What is the post-mortem change which gives a waxy appearance and preserves the facial features of the dead person? It is adipocere. It forms in moist environment and can preserve the features for months together. Right? The last question. The last carpal bone to appear when you see in a radiology. What it is and when does it appear? It is the pisiform. It appears around 9 to 11 years in girls and 10 to 12 years in boys. So approximately you take an age of 11 years for the carpal bone pisiform which appears the last. So I'll see you all in the next video. Follow for more updates.